Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1968 AMC AMX factory 394 speed car, guys. Super cool car. Quick car, guys. This thing will run. This is one of those cars that'll get sideways quick. So you gotta be able to handle horsepower. I think people laugh and they call here and they say, you know, aren't all these cars fast? Some are just a little bit faster than others. This one will scoot, guys. I originally sold this car about 3 years ago to a guy over on the East Coast. In fact, he bought a couple cars from me. I just bought them both back because he actually bought a Hemi Charger. But very cool car, very fun car. Let's see. So it's about a 10-year-old restoration now. Rick put just over 1,000 miles on it. I don't think there were very many miles on it when the car was originally done. He probably drove the car more than the actual builder did. Finished in bright red. I don't think that was the original color. I'll have to look in my notes. But it's got slick bright red paint on it. Factory black interior. Love the Cragars with the BFGs all the way around it. It has got a healthy 390 in it with a 4-speed, 4-wheel disc brakes, air conditioning that blows cold. Very, very cool car. Not a whole lot to nitpick on it. There's a couple little touch-up marks I seen. If you're looking at AMCs, you'll know that this is stuff right here. Most of the time when I go look at these cars, that stuff is just ate up, and it is pretty doggone nice on this car. Chrome and stainless is nice. Again, slick bright red paint. Little blemish in the dash. I saw it, whereas you might not be able to see it because of the doggone sun, but there's a little crack in the dash there somewhere. Oh, I see it right there on that little wood grain. It's got an aftermarket sound system in it. It's got custom gauges. It's definitely not something that's original. There. Again, if you've looked at these cars, it shows a little age. But man, most of those are just absolutely horrible when I go look at them. So there's a little blemish on both sides there. Nice and straight down the sides. The car's got slick paint on it. Good looking set of BFGs with Cragars. I think they just fit these cars. I think they look great on there. They definitely redone the bumpers. That's a good looking car right there. And he said it's been a great car. Like I said, he put just over 1,000 miles on the car. 4-wheel disc brakes. Good looking set of dual chrome mirrors on it. This custom plenum was built by the previous owner, and I guess there's a little story behind it. I guess he found it on the internet somewhere. 4-barrel aluminum intake. You see it's got the Offenhauser finned aluminum valve covers. It's got an MSD Digital 6AL box on it. Mallory distributor, power steering, power 4-wheel disc brakes, aftermarket AC. Again, factory 4-speed manual transmission. It's got aluminum radiator in it. It's an Offenhauser intake. Slick car, man. Again, really nice set of chrome mirrors. It's got the, all this stuff looks really nice too. That stainless across the top. Looks like it's got the original door handles on it. It is a original low mileage car. Look how nice those door seams are. Little split there in the original armrest. Bucket seats console, or I'm sorry, non-console. It's got a tilt column in it though. Bucket seats are nice. Again, aftermarket package straight back there with the speakers in it. Tilt column, aftermarket wood wheel, aftermarket tach. It does have a factory tach, but 66,909. That's supposed to be the right miles for this car. Aftermarket gauges. It's got an aftermarket sound system. That's your choke. This is your electric fans. That's your backup lights. It's a vintage AC unit in it. It's got the aftermarket vintage controllers. Dual exhaust. Got a drive shaft loop. It's the factory 354 posi rear end in it too. Look how nice and crisp those lines are. This is all done with a sound deadener, which really does work going down the road. Just quiets these things down. A lot less road noise. It's clean underneath. Clean door skins. New sill plates. Of course, these things are back seat delete. Seats are nice. Thing's got great sound, and it is quick, guys. Picture air on, airflow's cold. Car gets its R's quick, man. It's a good looking car right there. These cars are so much fun. You just don't see them. Tach works. I think everything in there. You can see all the aftermarket stuff working. Not getting a station. Again, you can see good old pressure. Imp gauge works. There's your temp gauge in there. Oh, original door tag is in the door too. I forgot to show you that. Nothing on the wipers, guys. I will take a look at that and see if we can fix it. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Look how slick that little car is, man. It's got slick paint on it. Sits good.